How many singers can you name that are in quartier latin?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Babia, Sam Chintu, Modogwa Barambwa,
Fally Poupa.
Fally, obviously, Soleil Wanga, Gibson, Ferre, Willy Boula, Borompela, et à qui encore?
One more.
Jordan Koussa.
Ok.
Mind you, vous n'avez pas le droit de dire le même nom qu'il vient de dire.
C'est ça.
Ok.
C'est ça.
J'ai pris les. Did they say Babi? They said Babia. Déjà.
He was my first one.
Tobe taban. Alors, Tuzana nani. Tuzana. Token de la série, c'est la danger de mort. Toi, on a.
Neti, boza na rote. Neti, kara neti.
Tuzana nani.
Oh mon Dieu.
Tuzana Suzuki 4x4.
Suzuki.
Tuzana. Et la bossani, oh, il y a ça la général major. Et la bossani, comme on a dit. Tuzana Junior Lambrouille.
On peut pas dire les Atalakou.
Non, pas des Atalakou.
Tuzana nani, Jesus.
Ouais, pour ça, aider Bino.
Non, pour ça, aider, bah, on m'appelle.
À Ferre, si je ne dis pas de bêtises.
Yeah.
Tuzana.
Franchement, je pensais pas dans Soleil maintenant, mais.
On a déjà dit Soleil. On a déjà dit Soleil.
Ah, c'est Gibson.
On a déjà dit Gibson.
Picho.
Picho.
Ah, des Picho. Des Picho, ça va naître, toi, là.
Faut dire au moins 8. Hein.
On a dit combien là? 4?
Ouais.
4. Toi, on a Mustapha. Tuzana.
Do you want a forfait?
Non.
Nazana ba Congo ya kopesa bino.
Ba Congo ya.
Nazana ba Congo pena 4.
Siko ba Congo Kimi.
J'ai des noms.
C'est Cindy ou not?
Oui.
C'est Cindy.
Cindy. Faut retirer.
That's 6 now.
Ezoye Langa.
Nazana ba Congo ya
Ezoye
2 more, you got 2 more.
What's his name?
Oh yeah, Meje.
Montana Kamenga, Sommet de Sommet. Isae.
No, you've got one more.
One more.
No, they said Meje.
Okay, yeah, alright. Well done. Well done. So you guys said.
Zaki passe, yeah.
You guys said you guys
Il y a
got 4 more
Chef
to
Ifonge,
give.
il y a Thomas Lokofe.
That's already 2 more. That's not on your list.
Thomas Lokofe,
No, but
Chef
you give her a chance
Ifonge.
to list it. She didn't list it at the time.
No, I'm
They
saying
listed 10.
I was trying to help you, but
You're not trying to help us.
It's okay to lose, you know. It's okay to
it's
lose.
fine, it's okay.
Waka, aka Ambassador Bisso. Congratulations, ladies.
Thank you.
On a métis.
No one likes.
On a métis.
It's giving hater.
No one likes a sore loser.
No way. Oh my.
C'est pas raté pour la caca. Bah pour la caca.
Bah pour la on sait
On
pas.
sait jamais.
Ladies first.
Okay, so number 5.
You can do it.
Okay, number 5 we've got. Est-ce que vous pouvez un peu de respect pour les femmes, hein?
C'est ça.
No.
Number 5 we have OK Jazz. OK Jazz parce que we need to remember ba Carlito, ba Bimana OK Jazz.
Des babas.
Ba Debaba. Ba grand, ba Madilu System, les grands ninjas, P.A.S.O.N.
Joski.
Il y a plein de gens au Babimana OK Jazz, donc we have to put them at their range at the top there. We have to do that. Après ça, on a at number 4.
We put BCBG.
Bon Chic, Bon Chat.
Yeah. They've got some hits. They have like Omba,
Yeah.
Jeannette Bombole, that was
Yeah.
one song.
Yeah.
Là, bah, générique, là, bah, Titanic.
Ouais.
They've got
Kipeayo.
PH.
Pas la tête.
Je suis là, près de toi. Je suis là.
Voilà TikTok.
And plus, also with BCBG, Bonjour, it says it in the name. You don't have to say anything else.
Yeah.
Right?
Number 3, Maison Mère. They could not be in our top 3
Yeah.
because we all grew up in Maison Mère households. Maison Mère, where I was the underdog
Yeah.
when Wenge split up.
Les grands formateurs.
He was just left with Ferre,
Yep.
himself, Didier Masela, and Adolphe.
Mais Abimi Sabat,
and he's- yeah.
Ugosene Ali Bonda.
Ali Mbonda.
Doyen.
Ouais.
Where he was the underdog, and he has. I can't lie, even though his music's a bit. He's actually been consistently.
Wait. You said his music is.
No, as in
Now.
His music
okay.
now
No,
is
now.
not what it's supposed to be.
But he's. Yeah, I tried to say it in a nice way.
It's trash.
But he's been consistently popping
Yeah.
in the
Quand
forefront.
on dit les grands formateurs,
Aza Benza formateur.
Son, il est le grand formateur.
Mutozo Ferre, Babi Ndombe, Serge Mabi. There's so many names.
Brigade Sarbati, bien sûr, Brigade, il était dans le quartier latin.
There's so many.
Quartier latin, who else? Fabrikas, auto, Kale.
Deplé.
Wata.
Wata.
Oh, Baza.
Give you a fun fact.
Zela, attends.
Okay.
Fact na Zela si. Bele, oh, Baza na ba mouvement na bango, ba orchestre na bango, ba outi et pa ya.
Pas popé.
Donc,
Kofi for Bigad.
no problem. Ata futaki. Mais à l'école qui na école.
Yeah.
And he was
L'école c'est maison.
he was at Maison Mère longer as well.
Yeah.
Brigade.
So for that already, by the way,
Yeah.
you guys get 2 points.
For which name?
Pour maison mère.
Okay.
Ouais.
2.
Number 2,
We've got
we've got Wenge 4x4.
Okay.
I mean, it's understandable.
Yeah, because at the end of the day, like I was saying, they started a whole generation of. They started a swag. They started. It wasn't just music for them. It was like bon chic, bon genre. I want
You
to
gotta
dress
look-
good. You need to look good. You want to listen to our music. You look good.
Have the best
you
cars,
You have the best cars.
jewelry,
Yeah, exactly. You
everything.
need to have that lifestyle. They brought lifestyle into Congo. That new school lifestyle. Even quartier latin. Alors mon copain Baza ota latin que bana wenge ba ota moi mutu.
Yeah.
and let's not forget, sorry, Stade de Martyrs in June.
Yes.
Yeah,
That
That
reunion.
was the best reunion. of
I'm
our
so
lives.
glad to say that I have lived through that reunion.
We lived
Was that
through.
Stade des Martyrs?
No, we lived through.
We lived through that.
I
Generation.
didn't think we'd ever see Wenge come back together.
Yeah.
Ali started the Matthew was better.
Yeah,
No,
Fine,
definitely.
but we're not talking about that.
in our opinion,
No, but we're talking.
4x4, it was more iconic.
It was
I'm just
more
saying.
Yeah.
Fally Stade des Martyrs.
No,
That's
yeah,
fine, but what
no,
we're
yeah.
saying is what we're saying.
We didn't think we never thought that we'd get back together.
And plus, this is something that our parents, for example, saw Wenge break up. They never thought that. They look at Wenge kabwana batumba mabala misusu pe kabwana ke ote ndenge Wenge ba kabwana biso pe to kabwana. Mais Wenge bazonga ni bino pe ba mabala ekufa
Bozongana.
C'est Noël, hein? C'est Noël. Bonjour, là, c'est Noël. C'est Noël.
So who's your number 1?
So our number 1 is drum roll. We got Quartier Latin.
Of course, that's
course.
obvious.
We have to put Quartier Latin for
That's
the
an
people.
obvious one.
Quartier Latin.
I know that's your number one. I know that's your number one.
Already from that,
The top three can
you got
interchange.
2 for 6.
Let's
points, bro.
go, baby.
2 for 6.
Let's
I love
go.
it. I love it. I love it. I thought you guys were gonna disappoint me. I
Oh,
can't-
no.
No, you guys supposed to.
We're girls, guys.
I know we got.
We're not gonna live down the cycle.
No, you're not. I'm so sorry. You've redeemed yourself.
We redeemed ourselves, yeah.
I'm so proud.
Thank
I
you.
am so proud.
Thank you.
We
I
tried.
love it. I love it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, don't disappoint me.
Bon,
Number 5.
mission number 5. On a BCBG. Parce que bon, voilà. Oh,
Eh, Gibe ayo.
Of course. Pele, il est malo Pele.
And I'm going to see Johnny fight.
Alright, 2.
Bon, on a
already.
kidnappé pour moi, moi, qu'il y a, mais I just want
Déjà,
to
vous
do
avez
that.
2 points.
Yeah, okay. Number 9 is 4 for 4.
Number 9, yeah.
Yeah, wait.
No, sorry.
Number
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry.
Yo, open Zaza.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Tata, Lamuka.
No, it's because I haven't written it in it. But number 4 is 4 for 4. Yeah?
Okay.
You have Hobe Okokota, Pentagon, Balati Batenya Basuda, Bakina Kanda. Yeah, me Pentagon ready, you know. But me saying baby.
You had a fun fact earlier. What was it?
Oh yeah.
In regards to.
He said
Maison.
Brigade.
Weather.
Oh, no. I said Brigade got so Brigade. Okay, Kofi sold we got to wear S.O.N. Like a transfer, like a football transfer, because they knew that it was gonna be polemic in the community. So all these artists that we see, but Kofi, but where else, they all get along. They're all bedrooms.
Yeah,
We've been saying Fally and Ferre are in a group
They
chat.
have a group chat.
They have to be in a
the
group chat.
drama is for the
They
people.
have a group chat.
They're in a chat.
They
have to be in a group
Even like
chat.
Kofi and Papa Wemba, they're bedrooms.
Yeah.
Papa Wemba, Kinkers, they're all bedrooms.
Yeah, King Castel and Kofi were
Yeah,
friends.
they're all friends.
They have a group chat, so I can imagine it already. The blogs said
They're all
something.
friends.
Imagine the blogs have said
Oh, was
something.
it exactly?
Yeah.
So I swear to God, you see Fally and Ferre, yeah,
Besties.
they are laughing at us. Oh, Bagola,
Yeah.
oh,
Wario.
Wario. They are having kikiing, laughing together.
You know what it is? Yeah, fun fact.
warrior.
Et puis, Bisso Tozaba,
Gauloise.
So King Kester will go on TV and cuss Fally out. Cuss Kofi out, and Kofi will be watching the interview laughing.
yeah.
Laughing.
Because they'll call each other and be like, oh,
Yeah.
Monkovia.
Yeah.
Monkovia.
Okay, so that's a fun fact. Like, we see all this drama, but it's only for music purposes. But so after Kata Fakata, we got Zaiko. But afterwards, Zaiko, of course. Zaiko, Bango, Bakings, I said, Babanda, Atalaku. Atalaku, mama. You know what Atalaku means? It means look at me, baby. Mama, yeah, Atalaku, look at me. Atalaku, mama, look at me. You know what I'm saying? Zegede means like, look at me, baby. Look at the way I'm dancing. You know what I'm saying? And that came out in 1981. Delezai. That's the first time we had Atalaku animation on TV.
Voilà.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about, innit? It's out there. If you guys don't believe me, type in Zaiko 1981. Delezai. You're gonna hear the first time we heard Atalaku. So Zaiko, they said the foundation. You got no Atalaku. Okay, after that.
There's a bit after that.
Yeah.
Numéro 2.
Yeah.
Numéro 2, toza na nani, toza na maison mère. Maison, est-ce que faut toloba? En plus, ndenge ba mama bauti koloba.
D'accord, mère.
Bazaki na situation difficile wera. Aoboule, aomona mutu na ye jibe, système à Titanic, c'est ça si je me trompe pas. Aobeta. Après a remonté a vu ba petit na ye. Tac ba papi kakol, ba japonais, ba flamme kapaya.
Ici, like, if you
Bakisa mo eloko.
if you listen to Titanic and the intervention rapid,
It's the same pretty much.
Musically, it's the same because Blinkenton azaki petit ya Tutu Kaluji.
Si.
you know what I'm saying? Azai peta, so tangu Tutu Kaluji abuwa ki Blinkenton alobi, petit, vio ayi biloko nanga.
C'est ça.
Na fupi na koti
Na
sa
koti sa.
So if you listen to intervention rapid and Titanic, it sounds the
ça.
same sonically, but what keep it back.
Et bandeli ya musique mi balé.
Yeah.
Soko yoki bien les années timoko.
Yeah.
Après le reste ça histoire toi na ba à laquelle elle est.
Voilà,
Toi
c'est comme histoire.
Est-ce qu'il faut
Qui bu ça pimpa.
Qui bu ça pimpa.
Yeah.
Si alerte générale tout ça. Non, c'est trop. Et enfin
That's number 2, yeah?
number 2, toi aussi déjà et number 1,
Number 1.
quartier latin international. Esprit d'équipe.
Yeah.
Tolobanini Isusu. Depuis Syrie, pas de faux pas. Pas de faux pas. Depuis si magie. Non.
Ultimatum.
C'est
Droit
ça.
de veto.
Droit de veto.
Sans inverse.
Sans inverse. Oui, mais oui, c'est ça. Naifo.
C'est ça parce que là, on a beau maquiller un naifo. Let me tell you what happened.
Bisous,
Like
madame
in
Magie.
Dako, yeah. Déjà, the video camera was like this.
Yeah.
The video camera was
Yeah, you're right.
Si go là, on a vidéo quand j'ai la cocosi un an. Papa nanga. Kata danse. But kata danse kana machi. Choo.
That was yours as well.
Listen. That album is number 1.
Yes.
And Fally is a product of Kofi.
Oh,
Yeah,
what's
of
the
course,
image?
of
He left the best.
That's why Tilo
Azaka number
colors.
one.
We went to colors. Other people haven't been to colors yet.
Number
Toi, tu n'as colors
Pas
there.
des martyrs,
Bon,
plat.
biso bakongolais faut comprendre que tozala na bomoko so tozokwaka bajeto oyo bato misusu bakenda kaleste bato misusu babeti bato misusu babeti stade bato misusu babeti bercy bato misusu babeti zenith mutu na mutu aza na chemin na ye mutu na mutu aza na chemin na ye
Bisous, better home acoustic. Or la home acoustic there.
acoustique.
Yeah, that's nice.
Oma acoustique ezaki bien. Ngapi na kosa Oma acoustique awat.
Ngapi loko sa Oma.
Bon, biso ngona toloba sote
On vérifie les filles.
Teve na
Je te jure, je vous aime. Merci d'aime. Mais vous savez, on when I be up with it, she can say, unfortunately, can't put a mama oil. Just for this year, but because of I be no thing. That's, those one that car, one. When we talk about Fally though, okay, let's see. Mais numéro 5, oh yeah.
Tolinga Fally pe tokenda Bercy.
Oui, non, kenda Bercy, to kenda Bercy biso.
Malgré ba côte sa biso te, ba combattant ba mena sa biso mais. Il a côte mais biso to te. Ba combattant ba mena sa biso.
Mais c'est bon.
Ba Gauloise ba ke concert ya Fally. Je ba warrior would go to.
Tondi maka ba warrior. C'est normal.
Bon, numéro 5, Nanga,
Qu'est-ce que ça
has to go to Wenge.
Musica.
Non.
Oh.
Non, BCBG. Has to. JB Piana. Wow. What can we say about
Chéri.
Papa chéri.
What can't we say about you? Déjà,
On s'en fout. On a le pétrole, on a le gaz. On a viens là-bas. Papa chéri.
Déjà, TH, toujours humble. Tu l'as na Rwanda.
C'est mignon.
C'est mignon, papa. Number 4, Nangaye. Number 4 of mine is Zyko Langa Langa.
Okay.
You see with Zyko, yeah, they are phenomenal. They're iconic. They last generations. They are lasting even. It's continuous. Like, it's still like a thing. You play Zyko anywhere but when you're about dinner. With Zyko, even though now we can argue this term, however, Zyko brought out a sound that went all over Africa. All over Africa to the point that we're even nicknamed after them. When people be like, oh, where are you from? Oh, Uzawapi. Oh, moi je suis Congolais. Oh, Langa Langa. Bisonde. Because of who? Zyko. Babeta kina Afrique, but can be pew. All because of Zyko. They're iconic. They'll always remain my number 4. Number 3, Wenge Maison Mère.
Si.
Wenge Maison Mère. Balobi na bino. Balobi déjà. Toi, kitoko. There's nothing else I can say pour le balobi déjà.
C'est la base.
Number 2.
4x4. I knew it.
Oh, you'll be
I
really
knew
good.
it.
Yeah.
I knew it. Maybe.
Maybe I am a
Ah oui. Moi dans la main divine.
C'est ça. Number 2. Et Ozalaka, Wenge 4x4. Pourquoi? Because they are the forefathers of the music that we hear today. When we hear artists, we hear them. Yebaka, eza pona Wenge 4x4 qu'on a déjà. They all came from these people because they separated, they made their own groups, and then to Mona Kiango deja bazongani. Wow, I wish I could have been there. Numéro 1.
Obviously.
Numéro 1. No questions. Mon pao. Yende. Chubé. Quartier latin. Quartier latin. What would I be about quartier latin? You see me here. Là, vous m'en avez yebaka ke na lela na kofi. Quartier latin, c'est ça. Na kolme yango.
Sonia Mbeli, le
I love it. I love it. Quartier latin me propose à la numéro 1. T'as là déjà, c'est grâce des quartiers latins. De lobby déjà, bah Ferre. Merci. Déjà, voix naïe qui toko 10 out of 10. That's one thing we can never argue about when it comes to Ferre. That man can sing. He sang opera. He sang opera. He sang opera.
He sang in church. Na église wana ya.
Bolingo ya ngana Yesu, bolingo ya sukate.
Yo faut ça musique ba congolais.
And then,
Monungo miel.
of course, it's thanks to Captain that we also have
Fally Poupa.
Donnez-moi ton cœur, tu
Je vais juste finir là. Moi, je suis finie. Parce que si j'ai dit encore, on peut rester ici pour une autre saison. Une autre saison, ma pas épisode. Saison, Puma. Car pour la famille, la polo va être belé. Mais, quartier latin, numéro 1. You guys had it number 1. You guys get an extra 2 points for that. Mais, Yebaka en tout. The winners of this episode goes to the ladies.
It's not
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't.
Who did you have in your top 5?
BCBG, 4 for 4,
You guys
Zaiko,
you
Maison Mère.
never put it in the same order. They got 6 points.
We got it all in the same order,
So it
darling.
has to be in the same order.
Yeah.
But wait, but you had someone else as well in the same same
Yeah,
top,
has to
no?
be shit different.
Ouais, au moins, il faut pas discuter.
Why did you have this?
Bon, politique,
Yes.
But before, they had 2, 4, 6 in one go. And then they won the other round, the segments as well.
Après, c'est pas grave. Je suis pas d'accord.
Zalaka, d'accord.
VAR. Mais c'est pas grave.
Let it go.
C'est comme Wiki.
Guys, merci beaucoup encore. Joyeux Noël. Bonne année.
Happy
Ici,
Merry
tout
Christmas.
les Congolais vont avoir la liste top 5. Il y a les lonis de Kokosi. Un an, il y a la liste. And it's also the La Liste team, the production team. Merci beaucoup. All of the fans at home. Thank you guys so much. Bona si bota la bisote to saraka na 0. Mais talaka les lo ba subscribers to komi bele ba views ezo mata na TikTok bino na kin deja na ba repost ko la bino mingi na ba panelist na biso wow. Sans vous, Moboulou, tu comprends? And of course, thank you to our sponsors. Thank you to all the people that have aided us within this year. Taptap Send, la beauté na bongo na Congo. Utilisez Taptap Send. Utilisez notre code, la liste. Make sure you're using it. Guys, dans l'obamingité, merci beaucoup. Joyeux Noël, bonne année. Tout qui est congolais vit ici à la liste. Sylvie Kemoshi. C'est fini. À la prochaine.
Ciao.
Thank you.
I can't believe we won.
Woo! Oh, yeah.
I can't believe we won.
I hope you're happy.
Well done.